This is my testimony. From South Philly to set apart living. Grace been chasing me. Yeah.
I was young and free, big family. Raised in South Philly, everybody knew the name. Street lights, only thing that in the game. Separated, mama yelling through the pain. Wash your face, wash your hands. Shoes off at the door. Daddy walking heavy like he been to war. Hand on the belt, silence hit the floor. Discipline mixed with love, that's how we learn to core. Block full of laughter, corners full of dreams. Didn't know then what the future really means. Grace was there even when I couldn't see. Yeah, grace was already covering me. Grace all over me. Without it, I don't know where I'd be. Your mercy keeps following me from where I was. Grace all over me. Even when I couldn't believe. Every step, every scar, every memory. Grace all over me. From block parties to dollar house parties. Bodies packed tight, DJ playing lottie-dottie. 10 years, supposed to be the best years. Instead we laying friends down, shedding tears. One shot, one stab, one fighting for his life. Blink once maybe, but don't you blink twice. Trauma in the night, sirens in the breeze. Grace still whispering, stay on your knees. Penny candy runs, knocking on the door. Yo, you coming, we ain't kids no more. Street top spinning and double Dutch fly. Now I'm asking Abiyah, why so many die? Without it, I don't know where I'd be. Your mercy keep following me, even in the pain, yeah. Grace all over me, still chasing after me. From broken streets to bended knees. Grace all over me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Too many young, taking in the prime of life. Those days were supposed to be the best of our lives. That's why I watch, that's why I pray. On my knees crying.
Abiyah, help my family, please.
Now I'm a man, childish things laid down. Day and night, Yahuwah's praise my sound. Some things I don't speak, the life I left behind. Set apart, live and change my mind. I keep the Torah, I keep the Sabbath, I keep the Kodesh motive, yeah, I'm established. Did it all and then some more. Now my eyes stay fixed on the open door. Yahuwah, thank you.
Without you, I have no cover. You washed me clean by your blood, and I won't abuse this grace you gave me.
Grace all over me, still following me, still covering me.